Remember when I did that video on making biscuits for the first time, and I said I was going to show you how you measure flour accurately? Well, I'm doing this video to show you how you measure flour accurately using the cup measurement. Now, I used half a cup. I was looking for my 1 cup measurement. I don't know where I put it. I found it after I finished with this. It was in a cupboard somewhere. I don't even remember where, but no, it was in the refrigerator. Yes, with something in it. But anyhow, remember I said I was going to show you how to measure the flour accurately. I'm doing this video and I'm showing you. Now, did we count how many cups of flour I put there? I think I put how many cups of flour? We have to go back and check. But for this recipe, I was planning to use 2.5 cups of flour. Now, this is self-rising flour. I ordered the flour on Amazon, of course. I read it. When I got the flour, I forgot everything about the flour being self-rising flour. That's another story. I will tell you the ending up of it in the next video. Anyway, we sift the flour first. You see what I did? I sifted the flour first, and now I'm going to use my measuring cup to measure the amount of flour that I want to use. I'm doing a little bit turning and twisting. I remember that's not how I'm supposed to do it. No, I was doing it wrong. Very easy to make the same mistakes that we make all the time. You have to take a spoon and put the flour in the cup, in the measuring cup. I shook it a little. I'm not even supposed to do that. You just have to put it in and then you scrape it out. You see what I did? That's how we measure flour. We lift the flour with a spoon into the cup. We're not supposed to shake it, and we just level it off. I'm not supposed to shake it. I'm not. But when you have bad habits, this is what you do. But anyhow, I'm showing you. Don't follow my mistakes. I'm not used to doing it. I'm not even used to using a recipe. I make my recipe in my head. I don't have a recipe book in my kitchen. Not one recipe book I have in my kitchen. But I was thinking, maybe I should write a recipe book. What do you think? The spoon fell in there, but my hands are clean, so that's okay, because I was going straight into doing the scones. You lift the flour, you put it into the measuring cup, and then you take the back of the knife and you just, right? There was some space in there, so I just, fluff it up some. How much is that? That's half a cup. So it's supposed to be half a cup gives me 2.5 cups. That was what I was thinking I was going to use for the recipe. However, I changed my mind. Remember, I don't have a recipe. I'm following my own recipe, okay? So you see how much flour remaining when you use accurate measurement. So when we're dipping that scoop, 1 cup scoop in the bag, and we're just taking up a heap of flour and we're putting it into the bowl, and we say that's a cup, we are not doing it right. And I'm sure if we use the scale, it would be much more accurate. And here I was thinking I was only going to do 2.5 cup, and then I said, Emily, you know what, why not make it 3? So I'm putting another half a cup, so that's 6 half a cups, and that gave me the 3 cups of flour that I decided to now use to make the scone. I'm making my own recipe, guys, so as I go along, I'm just switching up things. Thanks for watching.